Hi everyone, it's Trina at John's Furniture Repair here, and I thought I would do something a little different today and share with you a lot more of my work, where it's at. Anyways, I've been on YouTube for about 2 months, but I've got a lot more stuff that we've been documenting for the last 10 years on Instagram. So I just wanted to share a few of my favorite things and introduce you guys to that so you can check out a few of the posts and enjoy some restorations while you're waiting for our next upload. So the very first one that I've got here is one of my favorite. It's my dad, John of John's Furniture Repair. If you guys were wondering who he is, there he is. And this was done a while ago, looks like March 16th, 2016. And it was our last piano that we did together. And I really love his big happy smile here, and we really love working together. And he still has his shop running in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, where I grew up learning everything about this stuff. And I can't wait to get back to work with him some more. COVID's been really tough, so we do miss each other, but that's my first post there. And I just want to show you what we've got going on the page here. So I'll just scroll through some things. This was a big exterior job that we did a few years back, and it was covered in layers and layers of paint, and we did a lot of heat gunning and removed it to find beautiful pine and fir and really gorgeous woodworking that we had to do a little bit of repairs on. But check that post out for more detail. We've got a lot of weaving, some Victrola sets that are on here, beautiful tables, and there's some caning as well. This is a little box that I did for my mom and dad for my dad's birthday, and it's a picture of my mom and dad there. It's an old machinist's box that I bought from someone in one of the old machinist shops that we have here in Windsor, Ontario. We're a big car manufacturing city, so they're not too hard to find here, but I thought I'd redo one for my dad, so check that out. We did some carving replications. Those are always really fun to see. And this piece I actually have in my house, which is kind of cool. Did a restoration on that. Nice letter from a client. More painted stuff that we brought. This is a really beautiful little bassinet that I enjoyed doing for a family that was having a new baby. And the dog had chewed up a little bit of the knobs. This one doesn't chew those. She knows better. I should probably knock on wood. And yeah, so just lots of different and beautiful projects on the page that you can check out. Really want to get to a couple that I really remember and kind of feel proud about working on. There's a company in Windsor, Ontario, distillery called Yrs Walker. If you know about the whiskey that they make there, Yrs Walker kind of started the whole Walkerville town in Windsor, and has a distillery down there still, and some of the historic places he built. And his home was is called Willisted, and we've done a few pieces for the Willisted. It's now more of an event center, or kind of a museum slash, I don't know, just a place you can go see the beautiful woodwork and really gorgeous engineering and stuff that he put together on that home. This is my dad taking over my spray booth in my old shop. The shop that I'm in now is my third shop in Windsor. So that was him working there. My mom's working for me too. And here we go. Here's one of the pieces that we did. This was a gift to Yrs Walker's wife. And we redid all the caning and had the wood refinished, and we rebuilt these guys. They got new cushions. So that one was really cool to work on. And what else we got here? So much stuff. I'm always so amazed when I scroll back through everything, how much we've done. So here's the desk. It's very ornate. It was made for Yrs Walker in the 1800s at a Chicago carpenter's place that, didn't have his name on it, just had the date. So we actually ended up rebuilding everything and refinishing everything. We didn't refinish by removing the finish. We kind of did like a restores finished. So we did have to refinish the top, but the rest of it got a kind of like a cleanup, a stain over, and a seal, just because I wanted to keep the original finish on this one. Here you can see how washed out it is. So we just had to add some color back and do some sealer coats over that to keep the thing from drying out too much. There's a few projects in between those two. This was a very cool day. You can check that out yourself. Here's a couple cherubs from the desk, and here's a desk I actually did for my husband with some leather tops. Here's some more guys. We made him a new little pencil there because that was missing. And here it is finished. Really, really beautiful piece. So that's sitting back in the Willstead, and everybody can go and enjoy that piece now again. Pretty extensive repairs. So there's a lot more, some French polishing there on another piece. Here's some really cool door restorations, beautiful wood underneath all that paint again. Here's my daughter and her friend. They came in for summer break to do some carving, and she made a little narwhal. So that was fun having the kids in there. And yeah, some beautiful ribbon, mahogany, or sable probably. There, and that beautiful table. Here's some molar chairs. We did some stair restorations, which are always a big job, but they always look so good when they're finished. They're going to do some carpet and runners on that one. Beautiful mahogany tables. So these two medieval doors were shipped in from England, and they had been in a flood, and so the finish had kind of gone milky, so you can see how they're kind of hazed over. These were really fun to work on. Everything is made by a blacksmith, hand-hammered steel and brass decorative pieces, and you can just see, you can check that out closer for yourself, but that's just the beautiful color of the wood coming through after we used a tung oil to bring everything back. So those are pretty cool, gorgeous. They just hang on his wall. And yeah, there's some pews that we cut in half for customers, tambori repairs here, lots of different painted pieces. This is a library that we did in our old house actually. Me and my husband put together. So just go to the Instagram page and check these out because there's so much here. I haven't even gone through a quarter of what's on this page. And I think you'll really enjoy going through these pictures if you enjoy the videos on YouTube. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. I'll have another video up pretty soon, and I look forward to sharing it with you. Cheers.